Hey folks, all across central Ohio will be picking up from damage caused by yesterday's storm. NBC4's Rob Sneed is joining us live from campus where they've got a big cleanup. Rob?
Yeah, Monica, I'd say so. We're here on West 10th Avenue where a tree fell on top of an 8-unit apartment building. Now, authorities tell us that two people, they were trapped inside and they actually had to be rescued. One of those people who were rescued actually transported to the hospital, and they are, at last check, their condition is unknown. Now, we do know that wind gusts were between 40 to 50 miles per hour. That caused a lot of damage, not only to this apartment here, but to other vehicles and surrounding cars.
My first thought was, that was a tree. I know what tree it was. My car's in the parking lot. It's destroyed.
Certainly, you can see right now this tree still remains on top of the building, so this is a lot of mess to clean up. Crews, hopefully they'll deal with this today and get this all up and back to normal. Local for you on campus, Rob Sneed, NBC4.
All right, Rob, thank you very much. You know, power outages are still a big problem in central Ohio this morning. This is a live look at AEP's outage map. You don't like to see all of this happening right now. We're talking nearly 60,000 customers in the dark at this hour, and that is no good. Olivia Fecto, continue our team coverage now with a look at when customers can expect to get their power restored. Olivia.
Good morning, Matt. Yeah, many of those 60,000 customers are people right here in central Ohio, hundreds of them, in fact, in this central Ohio neighborhood in northeast Columbus. You can see the only light visible here is from our camera and from the moon and from our car lights. It's really pretty dark out here this morning, and all of this is caused by high winds across central Ohio this past weekend. Those high winds caused issues such as downed power lines and trees, as well as an AEP truck with a crushed roof. Thousands of customers remain without power this morning, and AEP has said the restoration will likely be slower than usual. When NBC4 talked to AEP yesterday, a spokesperson said a lot of people may not see their power restored until sometime today, Monday, or even Tuesday.
First of all, you should have a plan. Right now, we don't anticipate having everyone's power restored until late tomorrow night or maybe even into Tuesday, but the majority should be by tomorrow night. So if you need to go somewhere safe, somewhere warm, temperatures are going to be dropping today, make sure that you have a plan for somewhere to go.
And AEP said yesterday it plans to have crews out working until at least midnight tonight, hoping to get all of the power restored here in central Ohio. We'll continue to bring you any updates from AEP as soon as we get them. Local for you in northeast Columbus, Olivia Fecto, NBC4.
Olivia, thank you. I want to show you some more damage photos. Take a look at this one, a fallen tree left behind in Delaware. That's from Darren Settle. Sent us these pictures from Cotswold Drive. A very tall tree smashing to the room of a neighboring house. No one was hurt, thankfully. And then also in Hilliard, the high winds proving to be too much for a chimney on a house on Punderson Drive. These pictures sent in by Alan Cohen. The chimney simply broke free from the main house. You can see it leaning on the roof of a house next door. Yikes. You can send us your weather pictures using that Storm Team 4 weather app.
Yikes.
You can download that by searching NBC4WX in your app store. Nothing like